Hey y'all, today I'm going to be trying the all-nighter MAKARTT gel polish starter kit. Got it all in one sentence. Alright, I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys real quick. Got these instructions, got these stickers, nails, got a nail file. They hooked us up with an LED lamp. Right here, you got a button on top. I guess that's the start and stop. You got a couple UV gel wipes. This would probably be to wipe off the sticky layer of your polish. Got a couple of those. We got the wiring for the LED lamp. We got a top and base coat over here. They give us full size, guys, full size. And then we also got two polishes up top over here. Oh, okay, there we go. And then we got a nail glue and then a cuticle pusher that's hiding back here. Cute. I always check underneath my boxes, guys. There was nothing there, unfortunately, but this kit is nice. Let's go check it out. Okay, here just close up of the top and base coat and the two polishes. Alright, check out this LED lamp, guys. So I'm just undoing the wiring. It's not the longest wire, which is why I ended up using my Beats wiring, but it does work. It was too short for my station that I do my nails at. But basically, to turn it on, you just press the button, and to turn it off, you press the same button. Alright, cut to the Beats wiring. Here we go. Yeah, I ended up using my Beats. So as I said, you just press once and it's on, and when you put your fingers underneath, you really do feel the warmth. So alright, I'm going to start prepping with my UV gel wipes. I'm going to get it and wipe all 5 of my fingers, because you don't want to have that oil and dirt on top. Alright, so these are the nails they gave us. I'm gonna just throw them all out and find my perfect sizing. I want to make sure it covers all of my nail bed, so I'll make sure I get the right size. They give us 20 sizes, so out of all of them I did end up finding my perfect fits. But just trial and error, trial and error. I mean, this is pretty dummy proof. If I can do it, you guys can do it. And here are my sizes. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and file the tips of it. Sometimes these nails have a little residue at the end or a little extra material at the end. Just file those away. Alright, so these are the two options they gave you to apply the nail. You have the liquid nail glue, and then you have these sticker nail glue things. Don't know the right names. But here I'm just going to peel the top off, and then I'm just going to start sizing it to my nail. I want one that fully covers my nail bed. So before you even peel it off, you can just go ahead and size it like I'm doing right here. And I'm not going to apply it to my nail bed. I'm going to actually apply it to the fake nails, the nails extensions, and just press it down. This will just makes it easier at the end when you can just pull off the tab with your tweezers. So I'm just going to go ahead and size the rest of my fingers and apply it to my nails. Alright guys, before I start, I'm just going to review the instructions. I kind of have an idea what to do. File, base coat, polish, top coat. Just want to look over. So now I'm going to use my cuticle pusher. Push back my cuticles, not too far, not too much pressure. Don't want to hurt myself. I mean, we are learning together. I am not a professional, so push those back, push those back. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the file and just file my nails just slightly, just so the glue can stick down better and last longer. I'm gonna file and then I'm gonna buff it just a little. And now I'm just gonna make my nails square. They usually grow out oval, but I like my nails to be square whenever I do my nails. Just go ahead and file. This file is very strong. I'm not sure how strong it is. It could be a 180, but I'm not sure. Once I'm done my filing here, I'm gonna go ahead and brush all the residue away. And then I'm going to remove the tab, as I said before, remove the tab here so I can apply the nails to my nails. And when I apply it, I make sure I push back, push it on my cuticles, push back, and then I just press down really hard for about 5 seconds. And then when you do this, it will have an even stronger hold. And I'm just gonna do it to the rest of my nails. These are what they're looking like before we start the polish process. So I'm just gonna file these so before I add my base coat. So file, don't want to do too hard, but I'm gonna file and then I'm gonna add a thin coat of base coat, and their base coat smells so nice. Most base coats or top coats that I use, they have not really a strong chemical smell, but there is somewhat of a chemical smell, but theirs smells kind of sweet. So that was nice. Brush away my excess here. In comes the base coat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. And add a thin coat here. And I'm just gonna use the LED light. I wasn't sure, I was scared, but this LED light, is very strong. Honestly, I just went longer than I needed to, but I just wanted to make sure it was getting everywhere. And when I tapped, it was completely dry. So I had faith in it. I had my bigger LED light ready if it didn't work, but this one works nicely. So just go ahead and add those all over every nail. This is seriously dummy proof. Seriously dummy proof. Anyone can do this. One press, about 3 seconds, you're good. There's 2 colors. The first color is Cosmopolitan. It's a light purple lavender color. When I applied it, it does apply a little thin, so this is definitely a double coater, maybe even a triple coater depending on how opaque you want it to look, but the color is very nice, and it also has a sweet smell like the base coat. So here I realized that I do want to be a double coater, so I went ahead and added a second coat on top, and it's very pretty. It has little shimmers in it, so when you move your nails around, it kind of reflected a little. So this is the second color. This is Disco. This color is ridiculous. It's pretty. It is a double coater, just like the lavender disco color, but it's so pretty, so beautiful. This probably could also work as a topper. So if you have a color underneath, you just add this on the top. And I know they released this collection like around Halloweenish, but this is definitely giving me winter vibes, winter wonderland. It's beautiful. So I wanted to use everything in the kit, so I didn't really go for a design. I just went purple, blue, and then I'm going to use the stickers later. So now I'm just going to go ahead and paint the rest of my nails. All right, check it out, guys. Beautiful. I never done such a nice paint job. So nice. So as I said, they gave us the UV gel wipes. I'm gonna wipe off the sticky layers off my nails. Just a quick wipe, nothing that serious. And now I'm gonna use these stickers. This is giving me outer space, solar system, Milky Way galaxy, guardian of the galaxy. These are really pretty, so I went ahead and just put them on the purple where you could actually see it. I wasn't really going for design here, just wanted to use everything that came in this kit, and it turned out I liked how it turned out. It's cute. Not really something I usually go for, but the concept, the idea, the imagery of galaxy in space, it all works together, especially because of the glitter. Alright, I'm gonna add my top coat, thin coat of that. Check out the glitter, ridiculous, beautiful. And this glitter isn't harsh. It's, if you rub your fingers over it, it's soft and nice. Smooth surface, nice. Alright, and this is the final look. So I threw on some rings so you get that galaxy vibe. It's very nice, very cute, very pretty. I liked how it turned out, guys. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the other video. Peace out.